What's up, guys? It's Cole, and today we're gonna talk about the commentary community. Oh no, the commentary community! Commentary! People have always ragged on the commentary community, but lately it's just getting a little bit heavy and frankly, it's just gotten so stupid. I feel like I gotta voice my feelings on it. Oh, commentary community breeds copycat. Of course it does, Dipnut. Any successful community is gonna have copycats. People copy success. Like, that's just common sense at this point. The commentary community is like any community, really, full of incredible people and full of some considerably awful people. Attention always goes to those who command it the most, be it by good or bad practices. Like, in all this time that people are busy calling out, Nafuckers, Wild Spartans, I'm Alex, they overlook so many genuinely good YouTubers. I've got a little list here. People like Bionic Pig, Deodor Anthony, Big Ty's House of Tech, Bunty, Elvis the Alien, Leon Lush, Lestachette, Lord Bung, Overspark, Slazo, Sauron. Like, there's so many good channels that fall into the commentary category that are original and make good videos. I hate to make an example out of them, but look at Pyrocynical. Dude literally got sick of making trending topic videos and he moved on to more gaming stuff because that's just what he likes and he thought his content was better that way. There's awful commentary channels. The commentary community is not awful. Let's take a second to look at some of the people that have been calling it out lately. I mean, you got your kids on Twitter because it's cool to hate the commentary community. You got your boy Keemstar. Who cares? But there's this dude lately, his name's Cabos.
I got a raging boner.
He makes good videos. Don't get me wrong. His videos are top notch. Quality's great, the editing's good, camera direction, all of that. Well-made videos, dude. Good job. Congrats on 15,000 subscribers. But he's just a bit arrogant. Just a tiny bit. Like, I hate to take another look at Pyrocynical, but a little while ago, Pyrocynical called out a channel called Review Movie World for some scummy practices.
He'll upload a trailer of the new Ghostbusters film, title it Ghostbusters trailer, steal the tags from the official Sony Films trailer, and then he'll post himself in the corner, reacting to it. It's never mentioned in the title that it was a reaction. People think they're just watching the trailer, but there he is with his adorable little face reacting to the trailer. What an adorable little scam artist.
And then Review Movie World changed, dropped the scummy practice. And what did Pyro do? He praised him.
He just admitted he overreacted in his videos, and now he's going to tone it down. Give yourself a pat on the back. You absolutely deserve it. You deserve a kiss as well.
It was cool. He celebrated it. Cabos, on the other hand, likes to destroy bad channels. He likes to bring justice to the cheaters. Channels that abuse the rules deserve to die. He discussed a channel that was doing some scummy self-advertising stuff, like Shout Out Sunday, those kind of dudes. And when their channel started going downhill, he celebrated it. Like, he was excited.
I love winning. And I especially love when cheaters get brought to justice. Who remembers GOTS TV and Manimal? I won't take all the credit, and I won't take much of the credit, but now these shout-out channels are being shut down.
He also likes to put him on this high horse that he's just above the other people, the rest of this community. He says, however, that he doesn't have a big ego. He's just proud of his content and doesn't self-deprecate like the rest of the community.
Can we make a new community? The word commentary make me sick. I know my content style is commentary, but please don't consider me a part of the commentary community.
Dude, you have a YouTube is deleting my channel video, a Marina Joyce video. You covered pen, pineapple, apple pen. Bro, you're a commentary channel. Like, I don't know what else to say. The point I'm trying to make is you kind of undermine your own arguments when you get such a big head about it. Like, you make relevant points, which I'll discuss in just a bit, but you undermine it when you go and say, oh, but I'm on top here. Don't consider me part of the commentary community, even though I have a FouseyTube rant. Trending topics. He talks a little bit about trending topics. I'm Alex, Wild Spartans. And you know what? I have to say I agree on a certain couple points. I, for one, also am not a huge fan of seeing a trending topic video on my feed every day. It's honestly, I don't care. In my opinion, making videos like that every day does sacrifice a little bit of quality. However, Alex and Wild Spartans both have fans, and especially Alex Fast Growth shows that there are people out there who enjoy that kind of content. Heck, Cabos is growing pretty fast too. Clearly there's people out there that like seeing the commentary community ragged on. Honestly, the main point of this video is just shut up, dude. Like, you can't generalize an entire community based on a couple people on the surface, all right? And also, don't be such a douche about it. Like, give them some decent feedback at least. I mean, maybe we should listen to Cabos in this respect. Take pride in your work. Make good content and be proud of the content you make, but also help people make good content if they have strayed off the path, instead of just trying to take people down. To be honest, I don't care if a video is over 10 minutes as long as it's got the content to back it up. If you're repeating topics, find more stuff to talk about if you really got to push that video over 10 minutes for those mid-roll ads. Honestly, this video's done. I'm sick of it now. See ya.
But she's so nice, but she's so nice, but she's so nice. But she's so nice, but she's so nice, but she's so nice.
I'm like Steve, who is your man? Can't keep my sword in my pants. Alex don't love me no more. I showed him my diamonds.